Oh!
I got it on video. He ate that one quick.
Wanna eat another one? Huh? Huh?
He was hungry.
Look, now there's 2 lumps in his body. You go, Cypris. Yeah. That's my pet right there. Eating his slugs.
You should put the slug in front of him so we get a front view now. Put that one in front.
Alright.
Put it in front of him because we only got it from the back. Come on.
Okay.
Just do it. He's going to grab it before you do, Aunt.
Okay, fine.
Such a chicken little.
I'm not a chicken little.
This is all coming out in video. Put it in front right. Very good.
Right there.
Let's see if we get front view of him eating it now.
Cypris, here we go. Face this way.
Mm-hmm. Or maybe he's full.
Those were 2 small slugs. Come on, girl. Okay. Don't freak her out now. She was gonna go for it, but then I moved it. Here we go now. Here we go now. Oh yeah! How about them apples, slug?
Wait, don't move him. Don't move her.
Oh yeah. Don't eat the camera, Cypris.
Good job, Cypris.
Why is her tongue curled like that whenever she sticks it out after? Maybe it's like that when she's done eating. And then it goes back to normal.